Hi and welcome to the second in a series of screencasts that will introduce you to the University of Kent's ePortfolio system MyFolio and the functionality that will aid you in recording and presenting evidence for the Associate Fellowship/Fellowship Evidence Record. In this screencast we are going to show you how to create your MyFolio profile and how to upload profile pictures. From the dashboard page we'll need to again access the Content tab, as this is where we create all of our content that will just be displayed on our evidence record page later. Now, the first section under this Content tab is the profile area, as you see here. Now, the profile section has 4 sections, and we will just sort of spin through these relatively quickly. The first is fairly self-explanatory. It's about me, where you can add your name details, student ID, and a display name. Now this is important. This could be anything, but for the purposes of the evidence record we should just leaving this as your full name, as it's quite a formal document, etc. And a brief introduction of yourself, and by clicking this this keyboard icon here you can expand the full text editor preferences and functionality. The second section here is the contact information, and we advise only adding as much information that you are comfortable with sharing with other users here. We've got social media, where you can list your various social media accounts, so it could be Facebook, Twitter, or in our demo student Michael Mouse's case, Skype for example. And then we've got general, which is sort of occupation and industry details, etc. Now, having done that, the next section is you can add a profile picture, which is always nice to add a little bit of imagery to MyFolio pages. Now, as you can see, we can upload up to 5 profile pictures and choose one to be the default, as we have here. But there is a caveat in that they all must be between either 16 by 16 and 1024 times 1024 pixels in size. You can add a profile picture to any page, so you can upload different pictures for different audiences, but obviously for the evidence record we suggest a fairly formal picture perhaps. Now, to upload a profile picture that you've obviously already created to these dimensions, what you need to do is go to Browse. This will allow you to browse your desktop or your computer, and you just scroll through for your picture. Let's see if I can find mine here a second. There it is. So if we open that and then we click upload, and as you'll see we've got another picture from which to pick and set as the default for our pages. Please note that that any uploaded picture will count to your individual file storage quota of 50 megabytes, but there is this nice quota graph here which actually shows you the amount of file storage space you're taking up. So it's a useful thing to note when you're uploading files and other pictures, etc. In the next screencast we will show you how to upload files to the Files area.